Well, looky there.
Hello, all.
Well, hi, Julie.
Did you see that view?
Let me zoom out to that view because that is one of the most tremendous mountain views I've seen in Havasu.
I agree. And right when you walk in the front door, this huge window, it's fantastic.
Wow. Show me around.
All right. So this is a amazing 2022 built home. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 4-car garage. It's a 2-car opening, but it's really a 4-car garage. But look at this phenomenal kitchen. Love it. I love this island.
And I'm going to confirm on the age. I think a few moments ago you told me 2021, but it's
new.
It's rather new.
Yes.
And from everywhere in here, you look out to these mountain views.
And because it's a very part-time used home, it literally looks brand new.
And do you have the builder information right now?
It is Janicek.
Well, let's go. It's kind of set up in 2 wings,
Sure.
right?
Yes, it is. This is the ever popular split floor plan with bedrooms 1 and 2 over here. We've got front guest bedroom, super tall ceilings, fantastic closet space, well organized. I call it the plank tile flooring. It looks like wood, but
flooring.
It's ceramic, which I love.
Nice higher end fans. We all have these.
Got the
full remotes.
Nice finish. It's just everything about this home is really, really nice. Very high end.
And this is a hall bath, but there's also because there's 3 bathrooms, correct?
2.5 baths. Yes.
2.5 baths. And wait until the end because the backyard.
It's phenomenal. Bedroom 2, which is obviously an office. It's got the fold-out Murphy bed. I don't know that that will stay. I don't know that it won't, but
it's a good size.
It's a really good size room. And again, super tall ceilings, really tall doors, walk-in closet. Little coat closet.
I like that. Really nice.
I do too. The door
door
is beautiful, and the really cool lighting. Fireplace. This is a huge sectional.
Yeah,
and it's still
probably makes the room look a little smaller than it even is, and it still feels like a good size.
Really good size room.
Even from the couch. We're mid-afternoon right now, so the view is washed out, but
it is a spectacular view. That was the first thing I noticed when I walked in the door.
Yeah, as you walk in the door, you see it. And then here's bathroom 3.
And it's got the instant lighting. So half bath.
Oh yeah, he's done lots of extras. When you walk in most of these rooms, you wouldn't know it from the listing, but the lights come right on when you come in.
Yeah, it's got the sensor.
Lots of extras like that.
Sorry. And then a very spacious master bedroom, owner's suite, what have you.
Direct access out to that.
Right, with the slider. Cool. And the tile throughout, which is really, really nice. That's a king-size bed, and there's still plenty of room. And then again...
Oh, you just walk in, lights come on. I like it.
Guess what?
I know, closet envy.
Closet envy.
We own an older home, and they just did not put closets in like they do now.
All right, let's take a look at the ensuite. Oops.
Yeah, I like the master a lot. Julie's been in here picking up a little bit. If you ever list a house with us, we do a lot of prep work when we come in to list to make sure the photos look
No, it's got the
possible.
electric
Whoop.
sensor. There we
Oh,
go.
that's a sensor. Put your hand in. What a great
The
master
separate
suite.
double vanity too, which is really, really nice. So there's no disputing whose makes more of a mess.
Oh yeah. I guess that would be me. Well, let's go look at the garage, because
All
from
right.
the front, the garage is a little deceiving. It looks like a
It is. I'm gonna check
two-car
this out.
garage. Okay, I'll meet
Yes,
you out there.
yep.
We walk through.
And you're gonna walk through the fabulous laundry room.
Oh yeah, great size laundry. I wasn't thinking about that.
The garage too has the sensors. There we go. So
And
from
at
the
first-
outside, yeah,
When you drive up, you think in two-car garage, but actually you can see that door is really tall, 12 feet tall. Mini split air conditioners. Give the perspective of how big this garage is by look how far Julie's way over there. And I'm not even quite to the back.
so
It's
they
almost-
have actually had a small RV in here, actually a medium-sized RV. It wasn't even small, it was a medium-sized RV. They've had a big boat in here. When I was here last, they had, I think they had for sure 2 cars, and one of them was a fairly good-sized SUV.
I
And
mean,
still plenty of room.
You could put more than 4 cars in here if they were smaller cars,
Right.
for sure.
You
'cause
could
you could go-
easily put a good-sized boat with a smaller car and then 2 cars. It's just lots and lots of options. And of course, you could put a lift as well.
Well, last but not least, let's go to the
Resort backyard.
resort backyard.
Yeah.
This is, I'm just looking at my camera and looking at the real thing, and it's not doing it the justice it deserves. But that view is tremendous. You can see all the way down to the mountains, Buckskin Mountain by Parker, down by the dam, way even beyond that, and then out to the west. You can see the Turtle Mountains and the Chemehuevi Mountains. You'll have to see this one in person to get it, because that did not quite do it. But Julie's
Propane
showing us a little bit here. That's the propane back there for
Yeah.
the heated pool.
Pool and spa.
Pool and spot is beautiful pool.
It's absolutely stunning.
Solar panels too on the roof.
Yep. Own solar. It is own solar.
Own solar. So that means if you ever look for houses, especially in these desert areas where a lot of people have solar, there's a big difference between having a leased solar system and fully owned. Fully owned, you own nothing. All that generating goes to you. Well, this is a fantastic property up here in the foothills of Havasu. Julie, you have anything to add?
Give us a call or a text if you have any questions, if you want to see this home or need additional information. It really is spectacular. I love this spot too. I know we're going to talk about
It's beautiful. Well,
it's just gorgeous.
we hope to see you in Lake Havasu City. Please like and subscribe to these videos if you enjoyed seeing them. It does help us get these homes out for our sellers. And we hope you have a tremendous day, and we'll see you soon in paradise, Lake Havasu City.
Bye, y'all.